In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Todoist Filters, a tool that can supercharge your productivity by helping you manage tasks more efficiently. First things first, let's head over to your favorite web browser and type in Todoist in the search bar. Once your search results appear, click on the official Todoist website. This will take you to their homepage where you can get started by logging into your account. If you're not already logged in, let's do that now by clicking on the Login button typically found at the top right corner of the page. Here you'll see multiple login options. Choose the one that suits you best. In my case, I usually prefer to continue with Google because it's quick and convenient, so I'll select Continue with Google and then choose my Google account from the list provided. Once you've done that, you should find yourself on the Todoist homepage. Now that you're logged in, look over to the left side of the homepage. You'll find a menu where you need to click on Filters and Labels. This section is where you'll set up and customize your filters. To add a new filter, you'll want to click on the Add New Filter button. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to enter a name for your filter. This could be anything that helps you easily identify the filter later, like urgent tasks or perhaps weekly meetings. After you've named your filter, it's time to define what this filter actually does by entering filter queries. These queries could be specific search terms or criteria like due dates, priority levels, or specific projects. For example, typing in overdue will create a filter showing all tasks that are past their due dates. Once you've got your filter query sorted, it's time to add some color. Colors can be incredibly helpful for visual organization, allowing you to quickly distinguish between different types of tasks. Look for the color options and select one that stands out to you. In this step-by-step example, let's choose berry red. This bold color will make sure your filter catches your eye whenever you're skimming through your list. Finally, once you're satisfied with the name, query, and color of your filter, click on the Add button to save all your settings. Congratulations, you've successfully created a custom filter in Todoist. This tool will make task management a lot more streamlined and tailored to your specific needs. By using filters effectively, you can focus on what truly matters. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and happy filtering on Todoist.